we're going to be putting these shield pivots onto the shield right here. Now this is the way that your shield is going to be facing towards you on the machine. The 3D Elite logo on the left and this little curved raised part of the shield on the right. So take a look at this right here. This little piece is what we're going to be focusing on. This is going to kind of be what we use to align it onto the shield. Okay, so make sure first that this is loose. These can fall out kind of easily because they're small, but make sure that this is loose and that no side is catching. So take it over here. Now remember that this is the back of our shield. So I'm going to take that etched piece, that little groove right here, and when we slide it onto the shield, what we're looking for is to, one, have this pressing all the way and keep it there. But the next thing that we're trying to get is for this right here and this screw to aim towards the corner of the back of the shield. So, if it's rotated like this, you'll want to make sure that that groove is pointing directly towards the back. Now what I've found is kind of a helpful tip is that it's kind of halfway on the shield and that this is kind of halfway off of the shield. If that helps, then that helps. So then I'll screw these down first, the screws that are actually on the shield. Okay. There you go, just kind of work my way around like that. Now, take our other one, go to the other side, flip that on its side, same thing. We'll make sure that this groove right here, when we finally get it onto the shield, some patience required. We will again aim that groove towards the back corner. So again, we will tighten these screws and there you go. So once again, here's your shields facing on the machine. Groove and the screw pointing to the top corner right here, the back corner. Same thing on this side, back corner. There you go.